Hi my loves! Today's video is going to be about Luxuryscentbox. Luxuryscentbox is a designer fragrance subscription box. The company is based here in California. The fragrance box is for men and women and it's only $15 a month. So their box is month to month, which means you can cancel anytime. You can only get a 1-month subscription if you want just to try it out, or you can keep going. How it works is you pretty much fill out a short survey. Based on your answers, they give you some recommendations for fragrances that you might like, or you can also just pick from their entire collection, pick out a fragrance that you want to try. So here is mine right here. I already opened it. I have here a 2-month subscription, so I have 2 of these. The fragrances come in these small travel sprays, and these are 9mm in size. These will pretty much last you a full month, or they should last you a full month depending, I guess, on how often you use it. So again, they come in these cute little travel sprays right here. So these are super easy for putting in your purse, taking with you traveling. And then to open it, it's really cool. You just twist up like this and then you could just spray it. Oh, that one smells so good. You twist it up and then it shows you the fragrance right here. Like I said, I got a 2-month subscription here, so I have 2 different fragrances. This first one that I just sprayed right now is Tokyo Milk Dark Tainted Love, and it smells really, really good. I actually really love that. I'm definitely gonna be using this. So I just put it back in the little bottle. To close it, you just twist it back like this. So open, close, really easy. I've been looking for a new fragrance for a really long time, and I always want to try different perfumes, but I'm sure you guys can agree that perfumes are pretty pricey, especially like the more high-end ones. I think this is a really cool way to try out different fragrances and not spend a lot of money trying different scents. So I think this is really cool. So this is the first one that I got. This is the next scent right here, and it's the same thing, the little travel spray. You twist and it opens, and this one you just pull it out like that. So this one is Silhouette in Bloom by Christian Siriano. I'm gonna spray this one on this side. Oh my gosh, that smells really, really nice. This one smells soft and like fresh. This one smells really soft and feminine and like a floral type scent. The other one, the Tokyo Milk one, is like dark and like for kind of more nighttime, like a seductive, sexy scent. Both of these smell so good, and I can't wait to kind of switch back and forth between them. Both of these are 9mm, which is one of the largest travel sizes available in fragrance subscription boxes. When you sign up, your first month will include this reusable Luxuryscentbox case. When they send you another fragrance, you can just take out the one that's already in here and put the new one in there, and you're good to go. You can reuse this. They also do have a premium plan, which is $18 a month. The premium plan offers exclusive scent, and they also give you new cases, which you probably would get one that looks like this, which this one is the gold and black, and the original is silver and black. The regular plan is $15 a month, but I actually have a coupon code for you guys. So if you use my code conniesvida, I'll put it here and in the description box down below, you'll get 35% off your first month, only if you're a new member. So that means your first order will come out to $9.75, and you get free shipping. So I think that's a really good deal. Pretty much you can try it out for yourself and see if you like it for less than $10 plus free shipping. I'll definitely put the link to their website in the description box as well. Make sure you guys check it out if you're interested. Both of these scents smell amazing. Like, I don't know which one I like more. I think I like them both the same. Oh, they smell so good. Like, I can't stop smelling them. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys check out Luxuryscentbox. Don't forget to use the code conniesvida for your discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.